Hi, it's Kiwi the Coast, and we're here at our new listing at 1132 Portola Oaks. Now, that's in the gated neighborhood of Ironridge in Portola Hills, Lake Forest. Look, if you're looking for a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home plus a loft, then look no further. Let's go in and explore. Inside with the 2-story volume, garage on my left is equipped with the battery backup because guess what? 0 power bills in the summer with the solar system from SunRun. Tankless water heater, of course. Now what I love is the downstairs bedroom. Could be an office if you work at home, and it's a fully equipped bathroom down here on the first floor. Kitchen's next. Loving this kitchen layout with the quartz countertops and the big center island. Of course, all the pendant lights, has its own pantry, stainless steel appliances, headlined by Bosch, and it opens up into a living room, great room with the dining area is great for the family. Notice those wide plank floors. They're actually ceramic, but they look like wood. And what I like, the family can relax, watch a little TV, plus duck out through those double doors to enjoy the patio and a little outdoor living. Nice and cool and shady in the backyard. But you know what? We've got to explore upstairs because the magic is in the master. And the magic really is in the master. It's big, it's spacious, windows let in plenty of light. The fan, of course, is going to keep you cool. And the barn door opens up to the full bathroom, which includes a glass surround shower, twin vanities with the quartz countertops, and a nice big walk-in closet. Laundry's upstairs with the washer and dryer included, leads to bedroom number 3 with a Jack and Jill shared with bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 5 comes with its own ensuite, but my favorite area of the home is really this upstairs loft. Look, I can camp on the couch, watch TV with my family. The kids can play in a playroom, or if they're smart, they can do their homework. This home will not last long, so make sure you call us so you can come see it. On your way out, don't forget to check out all the community features, which include a resort-style pool and clubhouse, multiple playgrounds, hiking trail, water park, sports court, and much, much more. That's a wrap, and we'll see you on the next one.